The midsize truck segment is heating up, and the 2026 Nissan Frontier is poised to be one of the most compelling options on the market. With advancements in hybrid technology, off-road capability, and smart features, Nissan is ensuring the Frontier remains a top contender against rivals like the Toyota Tacoma, Ford Ranger, and Chevrolet Colorado. If you're in the market for a midsize truck, waiting for the 2026 Frontier could be a smart move. Here are 7 key reasons why this next-generation pickup is worth the wait. Reasons number 7. Next-generation infotainment and driver assistance tech. One of the biggest criticisms of the current Nissan Frontier has been its somewhat dated infotainment system. For 2026, Nissan is addressing this with a completely redesigned tech suite. The centerpiece is a new 14-inch touchscreen, a significant upgrade from the current 12.3-inch display. This system will feature wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with over-the-air updates to keep software fresh without requiring dealership visits. Voice recognition is also getting an AI-powered upgrade, making it more intuitive and responsive than ever before. On the safety front, the Frontier will debut Nissan ProPilot Assist 2.0, an advanced semi-autonomous driving system that allows for hands-free highway driving under certain conditions. This puts it on par with systems like GM's Super Cruise and Ford's Blue Cruise, a first for the Frontier. Additional driver aids will include enhanced 360-degree cameras, trailer backup assist, and improved automatic emergency braking. These upgrades ensure the Frontier isn't just a rugged workhorse, but also a tech-savvy daily driver. Reasons number 6. Revolutionary plug-in hybrid powertrain. The most groundbreaking update for the 2026 Frontier is the introduction of a plug-in hybrid PHEV variant, dubbed the Frontier Pro PHEV. This model combines a turbocharged 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with an electric motor, producing a staggering 402 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque, numbers that rival many full-size V8 trucks. The electric-only range is expected to be around 84 miles, making it ideal for daily commutes without using a drop of gas. What makes this hybrid system special is its seamless transition between electric and gas power, ensuring smooth acceleration whether you're hauling a trailer or cruising in the city. Regenerative braking helps maximize efficiency, while the instant torque from the electric motor makes towing easier than ever. While competitors like the Toyota Tacoma Hybrid and Ford Ranger PHEV are also entering the market, Nissan's system promises more power and a longer electric range, giving it a potential edge. Reasons number 5. Unmatched configuration flexibility. Many midsize trucks have shifted toward offering only crew cab configurations with short beds, limiting practicality for buyers who need more cargo space. The 2026 Frontier bucks this trend by continuing to offer multiple cab and bed combinations. The King Cab, or Extended Cab model, comes standard with a 6.1-foot bed, making it ideal for contractors and outdoor enthusiasts who prioritize cargo space over rear passenger room. For those who need more seating, the crew cab will still be available, but Nissan is expanding options to include a long bed variant on more trim levels. This means buyers won't have to sacrifice passenger comfort for utility. Additionally, rumors suggest a new extreme off-road trim could debut, possibly with 35-inch tires, reinforced skid plates, and upgraded suspension, positioning it as a direct competitor to the Tacoma Trailhunter and Colorado ZR2 Bison. Reasons number 4. Refined and reliable. While many competitors are downsizing to turbocharged 4-cylinder engines, Nissan is sticking with its tried-and-true 3.8-liter V6 for the 2026 Frontier. This engine produces 310 horsepower and 281 pound-feet of torque, paired with a smooth-shifting 9-speed automatic transmission. Unlike turbocharged engines, which can suffer from lag and long-term reliability concerns, the Frontier's naturally aspirated V6 delivers consistent power at any speed or altitude. This engine is particularly well suited for towing and hauling, as it doesn't rely on forced induction to make power. The lack of complex turbo components also means lower maintenance costs over time, a major plus for buyers who plan to keep their trucks for years. While hybrid and electric options are the future, the Frontier's V6 remains a strong, dependable choice for those who prefer traditional powertrains. Reasons number 3. class-leading off-road capability. The Frontier has always been a dark horse in off-road performance, and the 2026 model is set to improve even further. The Pro 4X trim will continue to be the off-road flagship, featuring Bilstein shocks, an electronic locking rear differential, and aggressive all-terrain tires. New for this generation could be an advanced waterfording mode, allowing the truck to handle deeper crossings than before. What sets the Frontier apart is that many of its off-road features are available across multiple trims, not just the top-tier models. Active Brake Limited Slip, ABLS, which automatically applies braking to spinning wheels, comes standard, as does hill descent control. There's even talk of a more hardcore variant, possibly called the Frontier Desert Runner, to compete with the Tacoma TRD Pro and Ford Ranger Raptor. Reasons number 2. Best-in-class towing and payload. Truck buyers need capability, and the 2026 Frontier delivers with a maximum towing capacity of 7,150 pounds and a payload rating around 1,700 pounds. These numbers put it ahead of key rivals like the Toyota Tacoma and Chevrolet Colorado. The upcoming hybrid model will further enhance towing performance, thanks to its instant electric torque, making it easier to pull heavy loads from a standstill. Nissan also includes trailer-friendly features as standard, such as an integrated brake controller and trailer sway control. The available 360-degree camera system makes hitching up a trailer easier than ever. Whether you're hauling a boat, camper, or work equipment, the Frontier is designed to handle it with confidence. Reasons number 1. Honest value without compromise. In a market where mid-size trucks are increasingly priced like luxury vehicles, the Frontier remains a refreshingly honest truck. The base S trim is expected to start around $34,000, undercutting rivals while still offering strong capability. Unlike some competitors, Nissan avoids gimmicky luxury add-ons, instead focusing on durable materials and functional design. The Frontier's straightforward approach extends to its ownership experience. There are no subscription-based features locking away key functions, and its proven mechanicals mean lower long-term costs. For buyers who want a no-nonsense, hard-working truck without unnecessary frills, the 2026 Frontier is shaping up to be the best choice yet. If you're looking for a mid-size truck that blends rugged capability with modern tech, the 2026 Nissan Frontier should be at the top of your list. Its plug-in hybrid option offers groundbreaking performance, while the traditional V6 remains a reliable workhorse. The off-road enhancements make it a true adventure-ready pickup, and the updated tech ensures it stays competitive in a rapidly evolving market. The Frontier's biggest advantage, however, is its honest value proposition. While rivals push into luxury pricing, Nissan keeps the Frontier affordable, capable, and built to last. If you can hold off until its expected late 2025 debut, the wait will likely be worth it. What do you think? Will the 2026 Frontier finally dethrone the Tacoma as the midsize truck king? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth truck reviews and comparisons.